Last week, Canva did a big reveal of a whole load of new features which incorporate AI into the Canva interface. As for us as writers, how is that useful? Because we are using Canva to generate marketing imagery. So let's go have a look. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I go on about it all the time, but please do. It helps. Okay, let's go. First thing that's exciting that they've done is Magic Design. This is for anybody who is completely bewildered by design and you don't even know where to start. I suggest you get your book cover and get Canva to give you some ideas. Click on the Magic Design button. It says Insert Media. So I am going to choose this one, which I'd uploaded earlier, which is a copy of a made-up book on a shelf. And Canva will generate all these templates with your image already in it. Now, obviously, these are not book marketing images. So just scan through till you find one that you like and adapt it. So I'm going to go for the first one because I quite like that one. And what I would do is I would select it. I would change furniture discount to, I don't know, 99p this week. And maybe your website down here and buy now. So if you're feeling quite lazy, it's a good way to get Canva to come up with ideas. And as you can see, the backgrounds and everything kind of match your image. So it's quite nice and simple. Is Magic Edit. Anything with magic basically is AI working behind the scenes. So I just, like a few minutes ago, made up this post. And so this would have been great for Valentine's Day, but now it's nearly Easter and you want to do something for Easter, but you can't be bothered to go and like do it all from scratch again. So what you do is you go in Edit Photo, Magic Edit, increase the brush size just so that you can get everything really quickly. And the main advantage of the AI over a human is speed. It doesn't actually have that much better eye than a person would. Right, let's go for tulips. Let's see what it says it does. It'll take some time to generate it. But basically, it's come up with all these different scenes with tulips in. And I quite like this one. Not sure what that shadow in the background is, but yeah. Okay, let's go for that one. And we'll go done. You can, if you don't like any of it, ask it to generate new results. And there we go. You just send that to Happy Easter and you're done. I wouldn't recommend for using it for anything other than just quick and easy social media stuff at the moment. It's still improving though, so it will get better every day, I should think. Exciting thing number 3, not so much useful for making social media images, but just in general. So it's Magic Erase. So I've grabbed a photo here and it's got a starfish in the foreground. And we want to erase the starfish. So we go Edit Photo, Magic Eraser. A little bit fiddly, erasing a starfish. Okay. You've been able to do this in Photoshop for a while, but it's the first time we can do it in Canva. And then you just need to do it again because it's sort of done it, but not quite. And there you go. No starfish. That's pretty amazing. I don't really know when you would use it for advertising stuff, unless you got a perfect picture, but you happen to have like one of your kids in photobombing it and you wanted to edit it out. But if you were, say, doing book cover design, then that would be really useful because you could get rid of small imperfections that you don't want quite easily. So there we go. Magic eraser. Exciting thing number 4 is Magic Write. Now this is basically, I think, ChatGPT, but put into the Canva interface. Okay, so I've opened a Canva document, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it to rewrite the blurb for one of my self-published books, Snowed In. So I'm going to open Magic Write, and I'm going to say, please rewrite this as an enticing book sales cover copy. And then I've pasted in the existing blurb. And it's come up with a much shorter, pithier version. I probably wouldn't use it as is, but I might just nick some of the phrases that are in it and rewrite the copy myself, but use this as a good way to generate ideas and interesting phrases that I can use in my back cover copy and marketing copy. There's a whole load of discussion about using AI for writing, but as a tool for improving your cover copy and helping you improve your own writing, it's pretty good. You can do more complicated queries in ChatGPT, but to use that one, you have to log into OpenAI, and there's a lot of extra steps, whereas this is quite handy because you're in Canva and you can just use it in the middle of what you're doing. 5, and I've saved the best for last, I really am very excited about this, is Magic Animations. I've been wanting to do animated book covers and stuff like that for ages, so I am super excited to play with this. So this is the cover of my book, That Holiday in France. And what I want to do is I want to make these birds move. And so that is what I'm going to do. So let's get this one. Now you can do it with this cover because I've got all of the elements separately on here. If you wanted to do it with your own book cover, you'd have to do a little bit of fiddling about and extract the elements and put them back in again. Right, so create an animation. So all you have to do is drag the thing round the path that you want it to go. Okay. I'm going to make it smooth, and I'm going to make it orient to element to path. Okay, done. And then this one is just going to fly in. So there you go. I can make them fly around on my cover when I want them to. And I think that's amazing. I'm so excited about that. I will do another whole video on animated book covers once I've done a bit more playing. But like I say, save the best for last. Very exciting. Okay, that's it. That's my summary of what I took away from the new updates in Canva. Very much AI based, as you can see. I'm a massive nerd, so I'm quite excited about new things, and I will probably play with it. And I think AI is here to stay, and I think it's going to turn up all over the place. So I'm intrigued to see where it goes. If you found this useful, please share, and don't forget to like and subscribe because that really helps me. And let me know what you think about AI. Are you excited? Are you scared? Bit of both? Pop a comment below, and I do read all of the comments. Thank you for indulging me and my nerding. Have a great day. Thank you for your time.